Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what came in my Sophie and Toffee Tsum Tsum box. For those of you who don't know what Sophie and Toffee is, it is a place where you can get a bunch of different resin, craft stuff, and subscription boxes. And they recently started having Disney items, and I really love Tsum Tsum, so I thought this would be perfect for my channel. And in total, this box cost me $60. That's because I got it during the subscription period. The first thing that I really want to talk about is how adorable this box is with all the different Tsum Tsums and little different Christmas outfits. Also, this very shiny piece on the side really caught my eye. I thought it was a neat touch. When you first open up the box, you're met with a very cute inside portion and some cute packaging. On top, there's a little booklet that tells you everything inside of the box. Some clear film that you put on top of shakers. And the last item on top is a Tsum Tsum postcard. Inside the box, we have some Disney character canes. Don't really know exactly what these are supposed to be for because they won't fit in the shakers. Next up are some phone grips. I also received what the little packing slip calls iridescent hand strap keychains. I feel like that's a long name for them, but I don't have better words to describe it. Another item from the box is some shaker oil with a little tip to go on top. The next item that I pulled out was some LED UV resin, which cures much better under a UV LED light, and then some normal UV resin. And then finally, 2-part resin. Starting up with some molds, we have some Christmas-themed little mold pieces where you can actually make some pieces up for the Tsum Tsums to wear. My favorite pieces is the scarf and the hat. I can't wait to use those. One of the items that I didn't know was coming was this pack of Christmas glitter. The plastic did have a little hole in it, and I did end up with a bit of glitter on some of the molds, but that's an easy clean. You can see me kind of turning around and looking at this mold. It has Anna, Elsa, and Olaf on it, but I didn't know what characters I was gonna get. They're kind of stacked up on top of each other with a little stick in it. It's some form of Japanese food. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's adorable. Next up is the shaker mold. This mold has Tinkerbell, Mickey, Minnie, and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. I consider the Nightmare Before Christmas characters Halloween characters, so I was a little confused when she was in the shaker mold sheet, but since it is Christmas, I guess it goes. The last mold has characters like Alice, the Mad Hatter, Winnie the Pooh, Eeyore, Tigger, and Jack. All that's left now is the pigment powders. But before we look at them, we really have to appreciate the artwork at the bottom of this box. It's just absolutely adorable. So the names of some of these pigment powders confuse me. We have golden blue, magic yellow, regular old black, red, and orange red, purple, something I can't pronounce. I think it may be pink, gold, some pearl white, and grass green. So that was everything that came in the Disney Tsum Tsum Sophie and Toffee box. I really hope that you liked this video, and I will be making some of these projects in my future videos. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos.